Welcome to the channel, The Office Guide. I am Ravi Kishore Agrawal. In the last chapter, we have seen what is ribbon is all about and what are different tabs present in the ribbon. Well, in today's chapter, we'll see the Home tab in detail. Home tab contains the most frequently used options such as cut, copy, paste, font formatting, alignment, number, conditional formatting, etc. All the options are used to format the data. Under the Home tab, we have 7 groups, namely Clipboard, Font, Alignment, Number, Styles, Cells, and Editing. The first one is Clipboard. This group contains frequently used command which is cut, copy, paste, format painter. Clipboard option allows us to collect text and graphic items and paste it. The next one is Font. We use this option to change the font style, font size. We can make it bold, italic, underline. Also, this group contains border styles, fill color, and font color. The next or the third group is alignment. We use this option to change the alignment of cells text to the right, left, and middle. Also, we can subject the text to top, mid, bottom, and middle alignment. In this group, we have wrap text option and make the text visible within the cells, and we can also merge 2 or more cells using merge and center options. The next or the fourth group is number. We use this option to change the number of formatting into general, percentage, currency, accounting, and so on and so forth. We can increase and decrease the decimal numbers and convert the numbers into accounting number. The fifth one is styles. In this option, we have conditional formatting, format as tables and styles, format as tables, cells and styles. Conditional formatting is used to highlight the cells or range on the basis of conditions. Format as table is having ready-made table format and cell styles features which can be help to build in styles that are in combination of font style, font color, and size. The next one is cells. We use this option to insert or delete rows, cells, columns, and sheet. Also, we have format option to adjust the height or the range of a cell. Using this option, we can actually hide or unhide the range, protect the workbook, rename the sheet, move or copy the sheet. We can color the tabs, or we can even lock the cells and format the cells. Last option is the editing option. This option has auto sum features to return the total of numbers and move the text to right or left and down, or clear the format content, comment, hyperlink, sort the data, find and select the option. So these are the main Home tab and their subgroups. Hope you like this session. Thank you very much.